Hello, very good morning, students. How are you all? All are good? Very good. So, have you studied all the topics whatever we have discussed? I hope everybody has prepared. So, today we are going to study bit about tabulation of data in charts. Okay, how we will prepare table and all the things. So, before starting, I need your ASA numbers as well as till the last topic. Whatever notes you have prepared in your notebook, forward all the notes in WhatsApp group, in economics group. Okay, by which I am able to know how many of you are doing. Most of the students are submitting ASMs, but still I am not satisfied with your work, because there too much work is copy paste. So note down all the work whatever discussed in the videos on your notebooks and attach the images of all that notes in the group. Okay, so open your books NCERT and let's study. So see, topics tabulation of data and parts of table. So already we have discussed the parts about the parts of the table, but about the parts of a table. Okay, so firstly write the definition of table in the comment section. I want to see how many of you know the table of this definition of table. Written? Arey yaar, only one or two are writing. Rest no, they are not watching videos and they are not putting any comment and they are not writing any solution also. See, so come and see what is written here in the book. To construct a table, it is important to learn first. ठीक है, कि अगर आपको कोई भी टेबल बनानी है तो आपको उसके बारे में लर्न करना पहले पड़ेगा कि कैसे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. ओके, so there are a number of things we have to keep in mind, and most of the things I have explained in the last video, and still I am making video for you, but you people are not willing to study. Those are doing very good. It's beneficial for you. Okay, now see, first part of a good statistical table. When we put together systematically these parts from a table, okay, the most simple way of conceptualizing a table is to present the data in rows and column along with some explanatory notes. ठीक है, कि आपने बेटे जो भी टेबल बनाई है उस टेबल में डेटा को रोज एंड कॉलम्स में एक्सप्लेनेटरी नोट के साथ में देना है आपको, विच इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू रिप्रेजेंट डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल्स. ओके, so tabulation can be done using one way or two way or three way classification depending upon number of features involved in it. Okay, a good table should essentially have the following. Okay, what are the following? Number one, a good table must have a table number. What? Table number. Now beta, what is a table number? Table number is assigned for a table identification purpose. Like in your class you are studying now beta, so your roll number is assigned, that is your identity ki roll number 21 Pranjal Purwar, right? So 21 is identity of Pranjal. In the same way, whenever you are preparing table and identifying a table number, which table number is this? Okay, so if more than one table is presented, it is a table number that distinguishes one table from another. Okay, so it is given at the top or at the beginning of the table. Generally the table number are whole number in ascending order, कि जितने भी टेबल नंबर होते हैं that all are in ascending order. If there are many tables in the book, okay, subscripted numbers like 1.2 3.1, हम लोग जैसे टॉपिक देखते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे एक्टिविटी दे रखी है, So this will be also like this, activity 3.1. Now see here, topic is 4, so it is written 4. If it will be subtopic, so it will be written 4.5. And table is this example of table. This is table point 4.5. So this is also the sub example. Now next thing is that beta, कि students have to keep in mind about the title of the table. So what is the title of the table? What title क्या था? जैसे जस्ट यहाँ पे लिखा था ना कि when we put together systematically these parts form a table, but these table must be prepared with the help of explanatory note. To whatever explanatory note is written on the foot of the table, which narrates about the content of the table, that will be the title. It has to be clear, brief and carefully worded so that the interruptions made from the table are clear and free from ambiguity. It finds place at the head of the table, succeeding the table number or just below. Okay, either we can see in the table 4.5. Okay, everything is classified there. Beta, next point is captions. What do you understand by caption? What do you understand by captions? Anybody know? If anybody know about caption, to write down in the comment section what is caption. I will see. But at the top of each column in the table, column destination is given to explain figure of the column. देखो जब हम लोग कॉलम बनाते हैं ना, ऐसे टेबल बनाएगा, ठीक है. सो इसके टॉप में इधर भी लिख देंगे आप क्या लिखने जा रहे हो, इस साइड में भी लिखा होगा किस चीज़ का ईयर है, क्या है. सो वॉट एवर रिटेन इन द कॉलम, बेटा किस में लिखाना चाहिए? कॉलम में लिखा है कि दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉर दिस कैप्शन, दैट विल कॉल कॉलम हेडिंग. जैसे आपने ए बी सी का मैंने कहा ना 3 कॉलम बनाए, ए बी सी. दिस इज फॉर परसेंटेज, दिस इज फॉर एब्सेंट, दिस इज फॉर प्रेजेंट, दिस इज फॉर टोटल. ठीक है. सो प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन शुड बी गिवन. After that, stubs or row headings are also required. Like a caption or column heading, each row of the table has given designations of rows are also called stubs और stub item. ठीक है. So जो भी items आपके headings दी गई होंगी, so that destination of rows and all columns are called captions, are called stubs or row headings. Okay. So and the complete left column is known as heading and the designation are known as stubs, or you can see stub items. Okay. अगला है body of the table. Body of the table is the main part and it contains the actual data. ठीक है. बॉडी का मतलब क्या होता है? मेन पार्ट है टेबल का जो क्या कंटेन करता है? एक्चुअल डेटा. लोकेशन ऑफ एनी वन फिगर डेटा इन द टेबल इज फिक्स्ड. लोकेशन फिक्स रहेगी एंड डिटरमाइंड बाय रो एंड कॉलम ऑफ द टेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल, डेटा इन द सेकंड रो एंड फोर्थ कॉलम इंडिकेट दैट 24 करोड़ फीमेल्स इन रूरल एरियाज. ओके, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर data is representing. So here you can see everything about, so the detailed description of table, it is called body of the table. and जो ये इस साइड में आपकी पड़ी हुई है, दिस विल बी द रो हेडिंग बेटा. ओके. और जो टॉप से कॉलम नीचे को आ रहे हैं तो उसके ऊपर लिखा गया है, दिस विल कॉल्ड कॉलम हेडिंग. एंड इन द टोटल यू विल राइट यूनिट इन करोड़. ओके. and in the at the last you have to write about source. So what is source? Census informations. Okay. So body of the table is required, as well as unit of measurement is also required beta. What do you mean by unit of measurement? Students, unit of measurement of that figure is the table. In the table should always be stated along with the title. Okay, कितना measurement है, commas, how many, these units must be stated along with side. Okay, is it clear? And what is source you have to write in the table, as well as you have to write a note. Now see betas, what is source? Source means from where data is taken. Okay, and then after that node. After that node, what self-explanatory note is written. Okay, so till the first topic decided today, video is completed. Now prepare all the notes till here, and if you are not getting anything, watch this video again. And in the next video, we will study about diagrammic presentation of data, which will be the last topic of chapter number 4. Okay, so bye bye students, take care.